Hi everyone, my name is Cici. I'm a first-year student studying mathematics, statistics, and business at LSE. I am also a third cohort Uggla Family Scholar. Well, just around 12 months ago, I submitted my UCAS application. I never thought I could get into LSE, not to mention receiving a full funded scholarship for 3 years. Well, all it took was a couple of clicks and 2 hours of writing time. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing. Well, first let's start with introducing what are some LSE scholarship and what are their eligibilities. The scholarship that I got is the Uggla Family Scholarship. Uggla Family Scholarship takes 10 scholars each year, 7 home students and 3 international students. You get your full living costs covered and partially tuition fee covered. You also get an extra travel fund. Besides from the financial parts, the Uggla Family Scholarship also provides us with a bunch of other supports. Like we get to meet Lan's family, we have a Wednesday workshop where we gather for some pizzas, connect with other scholars, and meet people from all industry. And if you do want to know more information on what are some other specific scholarship available and their eligibilities, please do go to this website and it will give you tell you everything you need to know. Secondly, let's talk about the most important part, the application process. To be honest, the application process is actually really easy and it's not time-consuming at all. All you need to do are 7 steps. First, you need to wait until you receive an offer for undergraduate study at LSE. And once you receive an offer, you need to fill in and submit the LSE Undergraduate Scholarship application form, which is available online. And make sure to fill in the personal statement sections of this form to be considered for scholarship. And you also need to provide supporting documents to show your income. And also you need to submit a reference from your teacher. Also do remember to check the deadline because it's going to be 2, one for international student and one for home student. And lastly, you will be finding out if you are receiving a scholarship or not during this summer. So basically, the scholarship application process is really easy. First, you need to get an offer. Second, you need to fill in the application form, which contains a personal statement around 1,000 words. And then you need to submit a reference from your teacher. And that's all. Another great thing about LSE application process is that you only need to submit the form once. It will automatically consider you to all the scholarship available at LSE that you are eligible for. So if you are thinking about coming to LSE or if you already receive an offer, please do keep the scholarship in your mind and maybe consider taking some time applying for them. You can find more information on LSE official websites, and if you still have any other questions, please do get in touch with the LSE Financial Support Department. They will answer all of your questions. And that's the end of the video. Wish you all the best.